Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to change activity alert settings on SentryPC. So, on your dashboard, go to Activity Alerts and Settings. Here you can change the device, just sort by the devices, and select user if you selected just a device. We can, next to a username, click Edit User, enable activity alerts for this user, so enable it, and keywords or phrases to filter. You can type, for example, just keyboard smash and click Enter to add. Click this X to delete it. Click on the word to change it. Or click Remove All to remove it. You can apply the settings to additional users also. That's it. Don't forget to save your settings and leave a like, and see you in the next one.